What's up YouTube? My name is Bula Gaming and welcome back to another pack unboxing! Alright, in today's my time start working. In today's tech unboxing, we're gonna unboxing my new, sorry if the light is catching, the new Elgato Stream Deck. This is not the first Stream Deck. If you can see in my bag, that green screen, that's also the same product from here. Elgato. Alright, so this why I purchased this product, because it's gonna make my stream and my recording more easier. So I've been trying open this off camera actually. Testing first before I'm making unboxing. So yeah, we don't want to check. So here is the pack. The box itself is quite decent, pretty much decent, not so much. You can see in the back. Alright, I guess that's everything in the box, nothing to show. So we don't want. Inside the box is really simple. You don't need to. Yeah, first we open the box and see what we got inside. The first in the box, we came with instruction manual that can show you how to install it. Yes, to install it. And came in the box itself. There is not much in the box, so we got ourselves the Elgato itself. Elgato itself is pretty small and came with a stand. Came with a stand. So that's it. Nothing else in the box. So he need to install an app. The app is really free. It's not payful, not for paying. It's free. The app is free. If you can see in the screen right now, here's the app, and see, I put a little test on the app. If you guys can see right now, I testing the what the app can offer. When this all done, let's go there. It look like this. You can see it goes, if the app have the same thing, the deck have the same thing. I just review this, okay? You know how many YouTubers have already reviewed this. This is my first time. My channel is brand new, okay? I have nothing to lose right now. Nothing. Okay. So, okay. I guess nothing to show you guys. So that's it, I guess. It's pretty short. Not have it. I guess that's it, I guess. There's nothing else to say about the Elgato. I've been using this Stream Deck testing before I try to unboxing now. Maybe it's quite fun. You can make your editing more easier. Your shortcut, hard keys shortcut for me to edit my video, my Photoshop, my photo, my thumbnail, blah 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 blah. You're gonna say a lot of things. Okay, so this is really short video, I guess. I guess that's it. Okay, this is the unboxing of Elgato. If you can see it, Elgato Stream Deck that I purchased. Here's the payment I pay for this Elgato Stream Deck. There is a three version of this. Number one is a Stream Deck Mini, and I'm gonna show you over here. Over here. Alright, over here. Number two is this one. And number 3 is this one. It's come with high price, actually. High price. It's called Elgato Stream Deck XL that came with 32 keys. The mini version came with 6 keys, but the XL version came with 32 keys. Then that cost me a lot of money that I don't want to buy. So 6 keys for my recommendation. The Stream Deck like this is more than enough. I only have 50 keys. 15 keys. 15, not 50. 15 keys. And I kinda enjoy it. So we don't want to change it. This is the Elgato Stream Deck unboxing. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, good for you. And always, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye bye. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye.